Alright, quick update for Elon. So we are rallying into the Fed news, and we've been talking about this for the past week or so. I mean, we've been talking about how the markets are just going to have choppy sideways downwards price action until the Fed meeting right here. And we said, in my opinion at least, we are going to rally out of the Fed news. We've been talking about this for the past week. Shout out to everyone who's watched the previous videos. And we've pretty much done exactly that. We're up 6% today, nothing crazy. I mean, I can't call this like a gigapump. We're obviously not having a parabolic run at this moment in time. And looking at this on the daily time frame, we are still below the short-term moving average on your daily EMA ribbon. So what am I personally looking for my next trade on Elon? And it's going to be a pretty simple, very quick video today because I'm really only looking for one thing. Now I'll make it very simple. You can see we were in a downtrend. I'm not going to go back through the whole history, but these daily EMA ribbons, we were in a downtrend. We broke down, back tested them. We tried, this is what I'm trying to get to. You broke above them, you tried to retest it as support. You then didn't make a higher high, you didn't break above this invalidation point, and you just rolled off the hill. So before we jump into what happened, what I'm looking for to become bullish is, let me do it over here, is a break above these EMA ribbons, a back test of the EMA ribbons, and then start to head up. And I would not get bullish until we take out this hypothetical high. So look, you've got a break up, you've got a high, breakdown, retesting the EMAs, and then you break above where we previously were the day before or whenever it was. That is what I'm looking for to get bullish on Elon. And previously you can see daily EMAs perfectly define the downtrend. What happened once you hopped back above them? You came back for that retest and you didn't do what I say here, where you have to break up and take out the previous invalidation point. We came up, back tested, failed. And you can see here as well, you came up, we back tested, and then at the point where you back tested right here, this would have been the point where you said, okay, we need to get above this previous invalidation point if you want to get bullish. And we did not make it above that previous invalidation point. We came down, back tested it, came up, closed bullish, and then rolled down the hill. So we are having another moment where we are coming and potentially gearing up for that retest of the daily EMA ribbons before we go on our next bull rally. I am already very bullish on Elon. I already hold about 4% of my portfolio in Elon, but I am considering having one more small buy just to add to my Elon bags. And it's getting kind of degenerative now, you know, depending on how much of a degenerate you are. 4 or 5% in a Dogecoin might not seem a lot, but for me at least, the money that I've got in Dogelon is, I mean, I have a decent amount of Dogelon. Is all I'm going to say. I personally don't want more. I don't want like 5% or more of my portfolio in Elon, and I do suspect that Elon is going to have a parabolic rally, and the 4% of my portfolio is going to become a 40% or potentially an 80% of my portfolio. Now it's 4%. My thesis on why I hold Elon is because it's the funniest Dogecoin. It's got the funniest photo on all of the Dogecoins. I don't know what you call it. Obviously the ticker symbol is Elon, but what would you call the logo, I guess? It's got a funny logo, it's got a funny ticker symbol, it's got a low market cap, it's hyped, and it's on a bunch of big exchanges. I mean, you can get it on Coinbase Wallet, you can get it on Crypto.com, you can get it on PancakeSwap. I'm sure there's a ton of other places where you can get Elon from. They haven't added it on Binance yet, I don't think. That would be very interesting if they did. So I'm going on, all I need to see to get bullish on Elon and potentially accumulate a tiny bit more is a break, retest, and a break above this invalidation point. When that happens, I will be updating you. I'll probably give you an update on what happens tomorrow anyway, but we finally had the news. We've been waiting for a very, very long time. We've been saying, you know, sit on the sidelines coming into the Fed meeting because we're going to have some chop. And it's a good thing we did, because we did chop all the way down to 867, or we actually chopped down to 859, pardon me. Initially, it looked like we were coming back down to the bottom of the channel, but, you know, we came down, found a bottom, and now we're heading up. So I really do like what we're seeing with Elon. I'm still sticking on the sidelines in exception to the bags I already hold. I want to see how the dust settles. I want to wait until tomorrow wait until the Fed news is blown over, see if the markets are still bullish and are still getting continuation. If they are, and Elon does break back test and makes a new high, I will definitely be picking up some extra Elon. That's all I've got for you today, guys. As always, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion on the market. And as always, cowboy out. Peace.